Assalamu alaikum warahmatullah. So in Quran studies today I'm going to be doing Surah Feel. So let's get started. A'udhu billahi minash shaitanir rajeem. Bismillahir rahmanir rahim. This is the Makki Surah. It has 5 ayahs. It's Surah number 105 and Feel means the elephant. So the first ayah is Alam tara kayfa fa'ala rabbuka bi ashabil feel, and it means that have you not seen, O Prophet, how your Lord dealt with the army of elephant? And we know that in the year that Prophet Muhammad Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam was born, what happened was that there was a governor of Yemen whose name was Abraha, and he was jealous of the fact that people used to go to Makkah for because all their idols were there for pilgrimage, and that was the reason why the trade was so much better in Makkah. So he wanted people to come to Yemen instead of going to Makkah, so he built a big church there, attracting pilgrims. But not enough people went there, and also one of the Muslims, they spread dirt in his church. So he became really angry, and he collected a big army, which included elephants as well, and he marched towards Makkah. He wanted to destroy the Kaaba. So Allah is referring to that all the people in Makkah, they witnessed how Allah protected his house. So here is Allah saying that have you not seen, O Prophet? It's not the fact that Prophet was present there at the time to see. It's just seen means that have you not heard, do you not know the fact that how Allah dealt with the army of the elephant? Then the next ayah is Alam yaj'al kaidahum fi tazleel. It means that did he not frustrate their scheme? So they thought that they were really powerful, and they had thought that they had the perfect plan, but Allah destroyed all that plan that they had. Then ayah number 3 is wa arsala alayhim tayran ababil. It means that for he sent against them flocks of birds. So just imagine big elephants and all that proud army being destroyed by small birds. So that itself is a big shame. Then the next ayah is ayah number 4. Tarmihim bihijaratim min sijil. It means that pelted them with stones of baked clay. Sijil means baked clay, so that must have been like fire shots, because coming from such a height, and it just killed them all. Then the last ayah of the surah is ayah number 5. Faja'alahum ka'asfim ma'kul. It means that leaving them like chewed up straw or worm eaten leaves. So that was how their bodies were after Allah was done with them. So this is Surah Feel. Most of us have already memorized the surah. It's a very short surah, only 5 ayahs, and those of us who have not, then we should all try to memorize it, because it's a really easy surah, especially if we know the translation, then it gets easier to memorize. That's all for today. Fi amanallah.